Hello and welcome to this video. My name's Scott Muir from the Muir Digital YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to do a review on the Profit Machine. The Profit Machine, a brand new done-for-you system that you can clone for only $1 with no software required. In the video we'll take you behind the scenes into the back office of the Profit Machine and show you how it works and run through the steps. The Profit Machine is a done-for-you system created by two seven-figure affiliate marketers, Thomas Garrett's and Jonathan Montoya. They've both partnered together to create this done-for-you system to get people up and running and making money online. First of all, let me explain a bit about the two creators of the Profit Machine system. This is Thomas Garrett's, one of the creators of the program. This is Thomas's YouTube channel and he has 459,000 subscribers on his channel, and he's making thousands and thousands of dollars monthly using YouTube and other social medias. Thomas's story is a bit of a hardship story because he's an ex-drug addict turned entrepreneur. This is Jonathan. Jonathan is another seven-figure earner who quit his job in November 2019 as an engineer to start working online and making money. He's been hugely successful and himself has 60,000 subscribers, and Jonathan has launched two really successful programs, Freedom Breakthrough and Freedom Accelerator. So they've both teamed together to create this course called the Profit Machine. So if you're liking what you're seeing at the moment, please smash the like button and smash the subscribe button to my channel. Without further ado, let's get behind the scenes. Welcome to behind the scenes of the Profit Machine. This page you're seeing at the moment is the opt-in page you will see when you're wanting to start and join the Profit Machine. I'm going to leave a link down below for your $1 trial for 7 days. So you just click that link, it will take you to this page and you can get up and running. So let me take you through how it works. So you would enter your email in here. So let's just use this email for now. And click show me how. It then takes you to this page here where there is a video, a 10-minute video that you can watch. After you've watched the video, you then click I'm ready to set up my system. That should then take you to this page here where you enter in your name, your email, your card number. I'm not going to do that on this video at the moment. And here is the Profit Machine, the $1 trial for 7 days. I'm going to be transparent here and tell you that it's for 7 days. You can cancel at any point. Then it would be a $37 monthly charge to promote this product. As a special offer to any newcomers that go through my link in the description, you will get a one-time only option to join the program for $137, I'm sure. $147, sorry. Save you paying that monthly. But you can do it on the $1 trial for 7 days and promote it for 7 days and make money. After that, you would get quick access and it then takes you to the back office. So let me show you the back office of it. Where is it? Here we go. So it's a 4-step process to get up and running. Step 1, when you click on step 1, it'll ask you to join the Profit Machine Facebook group where you can have support and ask any questions you need to do. And Jonathan and Thomas are always active in it. Let me just show you that this is the Facebook group. As you can see, Thomas on the left, Jonathan on the right, and it's just a normal supportive Facebook group. I can quickly show you some results to help. Remember, this course is only 4 days old, and there's people $52 from Aaron, another commission, $70 for Jerry, Noura $59, nearly $500. It's just blowing up right at the moment. That's why I wanted to do this little review video. So let me see if there's any more. Yep, there's another one, $70. Hopefully that gives you an insight into how the program is working and performing. Let me take you back to the steps. Just give me a wee minute. I've lost my page. There we go. So step 2 is where you have the option to supercharge your Profit Machine. What that means is there's an option to add more income streams and have the complete done-for-you funnel without the software, emails. There's more advanced training on traffic sources. As it says here, it's completely optional. Step 2, completely optional. You can continue on to step 3, is where we are at the moment. That is a decision for anyone to make. This is step 3 where you set up how to earn your commissions. Yes, so you can, again, if you supercharge in step 2, you can earn up to 70% commissions, as you see I've already done. If not, it'll be 40% commissions. Let's jump inside and see my back office here. As you can see, I only joined the program this morning, and I've already got traffic coming, so when that kicks in, my numbers will improve. So like I was saying, on the commission side of it, you can see 40% tier 1, 20% tier 2 and 10% tier 3. But you have to supercharge, which is an optional other cost, which is totally up to yourselves. After you've set up the commissions, you go to step 4. Step 4 here is where you send traffic. When I say send traffic, there's an option to send solo ads traffic to either your affiliate link or your own done for you funnel. This is all set up step by step by Jonathan and Thomas taking you through each step and implementing. You could be up and running in 5 minutes. So that's a bit about behind the scenes of the profit machine. So don't forget, I have a link in the comments, in the description. You can give it a wee click and try it out for $1. If you don't like it, just cancel. That's as simple as it. And if it's something for you, then you can carry on steps 2, 3, 4. You can either supercharge in step 2, or you don't have to. You can continue on to step 3, step 4, etc. So I'll take you inside my supercharged. If you supercharge, your dashboard changes, and this is your step 3 and 4 here. So firstly, you get this bonus training. I'll show you inside that. As you can see, there's step-by-step instructions, the advanced strategies, how to set up your machine in 3 steps. And then you've got short form video training itself, and then you've got Facebook organic training, and you've got an interview with a guest speaker, Alex Fold, showing you how to convert more customers. So that's the bonus training. So if you supercharged, you'll be taken to this screen, and this will be your step 3, as I showed you, and then your step 4 will be to send traffic. And you just click on the red button, it takes you to the traffic source, which is paid traffic. Again, optional, you can do it organically, but the idea of this system is to be fast, efficient, get you returns for your money, build your email list. Building that email list is vital in any business, and this allows you to do this pretty quickly. Again, if you've supercharged, you get the option to go to the additional affiliate program, so you can add more income streams. This here shows you how to set up Legendary Marketer. This shows you how to set up Jonathan's 72-hour challenge, and Jonathan's free accelerator, and then Thomas's no-face YouTube channel. These are all extra income sources that you can add to your email campaigns. Again, it's all shows you how to set it all up step by step. It's quite a foolproof program to get someone who's just wanting to start and make some money online. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, smash the like button, smash subscribe, and I'll bring you some more content to the channel. Thanks very much for watching.